The Uganda Revenue Authority was to begin implementing the issuance of new digital number plates effective July 1st, 2023. There was going to be a new series of registration numbers for all vehicles plus the installation of tracking devices, and all vehicle owners were going to pay $730,000 for the replacement of the number plates. The Honourable Balimwezo Ronald Suga, the Member of Parliament Nakawa East, proposed Parliament to first hold this process, stating that they must first reconcile the minority and majority reports from the Committee on Physical Infrastructure.
However, this Parliament came out clearly and adopted both reports, the minority and majority. Implementation is going on without harmonization. How are we doing it? Are we proceeding on well? This is a matter that Monitor has written about. Very critical issues that were raised by URA itself. There are risks that we have not looked at. Therefore, it's important, Right Honourable Speaker, to address this matter.
Before this, some stakeholders from the transport industry and legislators had raised concern over the abnormal costs of the digital number plates and the rationale of the payment gap, which they say is unfair.
Not on the digital number plates, they are unfair to us or to the borders, because bearing in mind, these motorcycles are got on loan. Then, as somebody is servicing the loan, getting money to really pay for the number is really very expensive.
We are also thinking it would be a bit delayed, such that the economy can recover completely. Because at the moment we are still going through the COVID stress, the debt relief, and other things that the public is going through that are not easy. Government itself is in debt of around 7.2 trillion.
Uganda is estimated to have close to 2.4 million vehicles and more than 1.4 million motorcycles, and if each of them is registered afresh, the government would receive up to 2.8 trillion in form of revenues.
Expensive like that, very few will buy them. So it's better to be lesser so that you can get more and even more tax. But the moment you put it very expensive like that, people will dodge it.
In 2018, President Museveni issued a directive to engage a Russian company called Joint Stock Company Global Security to execute a compulsory digital surveillance of all motor vehicles and motorcycles and other vessels in Uganda using an electronically activated device fixed on the motorcycles to curb insecurity and criminality. Pedson Mumbere, SMART24TV, Business Today.